All right, let's do an Eastern Horde 70 Shadow Ops, the latest one. We got a Jericho. We got 18 techs, 14 with flames, and 4 with bullets. So first thing we got to get rid of these little jackals. One's going to come flying over. We'll get rid of them. And we'll start with the techs first, because they're going to get rid of the jackals for us. We're just going to wait here. Jackal will come. When he comes, we kill him. All right, easily done. Takes care of him. We swing over here. Take out these jackals so that they don't do any damage to anything. Come back over here. Let me get rid of one of the air when he comes over. Over here, we're going to get rid of him. Then we're going to start with the envoys. We're going to clear the base. All right, they're gone. So retreat them. Now envoys, okay, they're going to come in up here. Ten envoys. You got to watch out what you're doing, because those guys will damage you. Okay, now, with the envoys, we just slowly take the base apart. So you get rid of whatever can hurt the other things. Okay, let's get rid of that. Drive them over a little bit. You shoot them once and you drive them over here. When you drive them over here, it's easier to kill some of the other stuff over here. All right, so you cleared that out, as long as you're careful. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to drive these guys over here so it's easier to kill some of them. We've got to get over here. We'll take one shot. We'll drive them over there, and that way it'll be easier to kill them. All right, now they're going to run over there. When they go over there, we can do multi-kills. We'll wait till this air goes away, because he can be a problem. He will attack us. So we'll just be patient. Just hang out. Okay, he's gone. All right, now, again, we want to get rid of all this stuff here. Don't go in there. You'll die. Oh, we almost got him. Didn't quite get him, but we'll get him. Again, just take your time. Now, he's dangerous, so we take him out right. Again, you got to get your angles right. You get your angles right, and you should get no damage. Oh, wait, he's coming. Watch out for the air, because he will attack you. Again, be patient. If you're patient, it's easy to do. All right, let's take him out. Okay, you don't want to get any closer. You get any closer, and this hunter will take you out. That's enough for now. We'll come back and clean that up, because they'll come back. Now we're just going to do some cleanup. We want to get rid of him, so we'll shoot him. Okay, he's gone. Just slowly work your way around. Now, if we time this right, we can kill that guy there. So we come in here, we shoot right here. Yeah, didn't quite get him. All right, fly away. We get rid of most of the stuff. Right now, we're getting rid of anything that can kill our ground. But the air is a dangerous one. A little bit of damage, not much. All right. Now, we're going to get rid of this hunter. He's dangerous. So be careful where you shoot and how you shoot. But you work it right, and you'll be all right. All right, what do we got here now? All right, now we will deselect these guys, and the Jericho's got to take out some of that air for us. So we'll just send the Jericho in. Got to be a little bit careful, but he can get this guy. Okay, you work this right. We got to get rid of him. Once we get rid of him, we can clear all this stuff with the envoy. So you just take it a piece at a time, and you line it up so that he won't bother me there. That should take him. Okay, he's gone. Now we'll send the envoys back in, and they'll clear out a lot of this stuff. Oh, the envoys are coming in up here. You got to remember where they come in, because they can be dangerous up there. I don't like to come in at that angle, but sometimes you have to. So our envoys are just moving over. You can see they're just trailing over. Staying as far away from the anti-air as I can. All right, we're going to get rid of these guys. So again, be careful. As long as you work your angles, you can kill almost everything in there with your envoys. See, they'll clear out all that stuff for you. Now, all right. I'm going to reset it because these guys are not sitting in the place I want them. I want them out here. I don't want any decoys, so we're just going to reset them. Go back in, and I'll show you how easy it is to... Okay. Oh, it's gone. I needed that right there. Was going to kill him. All right, that's all right. We'll take these guys out with envoys. We'll take him out with Jericho. And that's where you have to adapt. We need our envoys. We're just making our way around. If you take out this ground, then Jericho can come in and take out the anti-air. You can't go too far with that, though. Now, okay, we have to stop. The hunter kicked in. Usually the hunter doesn't kick in. Poorly done. Usually I get no damage, but you got a rookie. I'll make another one after this and show you how we can do it better. We will just complete this one. What do we need? Yep, we lost an envoy. Oh, you know what we need right now? We need Jericho. Jericho's going to take out the hunter. That'll make things a whole lot easier. Even when you mess up, it's really not too hard. Just got to take it one little piece at a time. All right, here we go. Let's get that. All right, got rid of that. Now let's bring in the envoys. This is what you do when you mess up, but that's all right, not the end of the world. Normally I get about 5 minutes damage on my envoys, if that. There we go. All right, come out here. Just stop. Once you stop, he'll turn around. All right. Let's get rid of the railgun. All right, that takes care of that. Now we'll send the Jericho, and this is what we were going to do before. The Jericho will take out all the air. Okay, these guys here are a problem. What do you do when you have that? Just reset the base, and they're gone. Once you reset the base, you don't have to deal with them. See, they're gone, so you don't have to worry about them. He will spit out fire, so be careful there. But we're going to come in with the Jericho, and we'll get very little damage to the Jericho. So our Jericho, let's take out the Hunter. And any anti-air that can damage your envoy. Okay. Now we're going to come in here to stay as far away from the fire as we can. Okay, that's it. Now we'll send the envoys back in. We'll come around, because the way it's sitting right now, we're going to shoot here, and that'll kill the Hunter. Boom. Okay. Just come out for a second. Just come out and stop. He'll go back. And okay, I know what we'll do. We'll send in some Furies, because we got to get rid of these guys. Get rid of these guys, we can send the Jericho back in. He's the one that's going to damage you. So, I don't know what happened. Oh, jeez. So what happens when they come in, you get too close, they get all shot up. Jericho will get the rest. This is how you do it poorly. That's it. Come on.